Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this session we are going to see about list in Python. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use our Visual Studio Code. Just create one file, mylist.py. Okay, here I will create one list called a of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever it is. Okay, so when I print a type of a, it will just print a list. This is a list actually. So the same way slicing also we can do it for a list, as I told you in the slicing thing. A of 0, 4. So you can just print off. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can do all the slicing in the list as well. And here instead of a, I'm going to just assign some 3 value, 1, 2, 3, a dot. What and all we can do with the list. So with use of Visual Code Studio, you can append, clear, count, extend, index, insert and pop, and remove, reverse, short as well. Okay, so this all the method you can try it out. It just simple as that. What I can do, I will do one insert as of now. Okay, so insert, you have to put index and object. So which index you want to do? I want to put into 1. So the value is 5. So it should print 1523. Okay, now print a 1523. For this purpose we no need to print actually, just add it. Okay, we have inserted. Now again just we are initialing and inserted. Okay, now instead of insert, what we can do, append, just value. By default it will append in a place, just object we are giving it. So by default it will add next to that last element. If you want to insert in the particular thing, you can do with index and then value. Okay, next what is available, clear, copy, count, extend. So these are all things you can just check. So you can try it out. Just do reverse also. Let's see what happens. Okay, and store it in a value b and print a b. So b is equal to a of a dot reverse. It just prints. It's okay, it's fine. So for reverse purpose we can do length find also, or a of what we have did. Okay, we can use slicing now, -1 and stored into b and then run it. Sorry, stored into b. Okay, here you can find 3 to 1. We just reverse the list. Maybe if you want to find length of a, just print the b, 3. So as of now the length of a is 3. So we got a length and we got a reverse and we have inserted. And if you want to remove also, you can do something like a dot remove. So remove what and all we have to pass, only the value. So I'm going to remove value, value 2. So it just has to print 1 and 3. Okay, so for this purpose we can try with command as well. Okay, so whatever method, so if you are running it in the command, like if you store a of 1, 2, 3 and sorry, a of a is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you print a dot, you won't get any suggestion, right? That's why we go for always editor. So if it is editor, you will get lot of suggestion, what are the parameter you have to pass, everything you can see it. Okay guys, okay, maybe I think we have covered the list. Maybe in next video we can see dictionary. There are a lot more videos is coming up with looping, conditions, everything we can cover. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.